Hello friends, this is Ilangavan. Today I would like to talk about the benefits of organic farming to our ecosystem. Suppose if we take some 50 to 60 years back where our grandfathers were doing farming, they have never used any pesticides or chemicals. So whatever resources were available at that time, they use the same as that to increase the yield of that farm. Suppose if we see right, if we suppose if we had gone to a farm, right, when our grandfather was doing farming, we used to see that they will have they would do use integration kind of farming where they will have cows, chickens, goats. So everything was interrelated. How it is interrelated? Suppose if we take like a cow. So for cow, what is the use of cow? Cow gives us milk plus that cow's wastage we used to use as uh, we used to use that same cow's waste as fertilizer to that whatever agriculture agri food we are growing. So that waste of the cow became manure to our farm. Then chicken. What is the use of chicken and that birds? So suppose what this chicken does is morning when the chicken goes, it will graze throughout the farm. So uh, whatever food which are growing, suppose like wheat or fruits, vegetables, they directly it'll go throughout the farm, and whatever insects or insects or other things, worms which are present in that uh, for, food, right, it used to go and eat all those things. So by that way used to it kept the control of this all this worms and other things. So slowly after this change in this agriculture methods, what has happened that slowly that all that Indian breed cows has gone away. So so that has gone away. Then that chickens, everything has gone out of this farm. Now if we take that cows and chicken, right, that has become a separate industry kind of thing. So what had happened? That was like a chain where each one were related to each one are dependent on each other. As the chain got removed, what had happened? People in the that we didn't have manure to grow our foods. So what they did is they started using pesticides and chemicals to grow that food. Slowly, what had happened is then slowly, as we didn't have any uh, control of the worms and insects, they started spraying that uh, insects and other. They started spraying other chemical feeds. So what had happened? That birds and other birds which used to come naturally to clean up all these things, as we have already applied this chemicals in our plants or everything, birds were not able to um, clean eat the insects or insects or other things which are present in the food because of that chemical which you apply. Slowly what had happened, this natural cycle, as whatever was happening naturally, that got uh, now it has changed everything into uh, what was happening naturally, everything went into something kind of uh, next level kind of thing where everything has to be controlled in through human efforts. That is when that is how this um, the use of pesticides and chemicals started increasing in a farm. So that generally that the spendings of the farmers has increased to cultivate the food, which has drastically impacted their lives. So this is how. So to again get into organic farming, we have to again create this chain of these things where we need to have native breed cows, which has native breed cow has manure has huge so many importance which will help in their agriculture farming, same as this chickens. So which used to keep control of the insects and worms naturally. So this is how this the people were doing farming during our olden days. And nowadays everything has become everything has changed into advanced thing. So everything we are doing it in by human effort. So this is how this which has impacted the farmers. So we need to get back to a traditional ancient method where we can grow our food healthy, grow our food healthy food, and we can consume it so that we can live a healthy lifestyle. Thank you. See you next time.